Did you know that you don't have to stay stuck where you've been in your brick and mortar or behind the chair as a hairstylist? Sometimes we create these limiting beliefs about our own destinies and we think we're not worthy of achieving or having or changing our lives and allowing ourselves to really attract and be what we desire. So if you've been thinking about creating a new business, an online business, a coaching, mentoring, or online education practice, but you've been resistant because of fear and not knowing what this next steps will be, I want to invite you in. Click the link above and register for my free workshop. It's not a regular run-of-the-mill workshop. What I'm going to be sharing is this. It's the Exit Strategy Formula Workshop. I'm going to be sharing step by step how I personally, myself, had created an exit strategy from my brick and mortar business and launched a successful coaching and consulting practice. You will walk away with action steps that you could actually implement yourself and get the ball rolling to creating your exit strategy and creating your location independent business that can change your life, sharing your brilliance with the world. Can't wait to see you there. Click the link below or above and sign up.